Flirty text messages between Karen Reed and one of John O'Keefe's friends took center stage today at her trial. And jurors are paying very close attention to these text messages, although the man reading the texts wasn't the one who sent them, as WBZ's Kristina explains.
You're hot.
Sound familiar?
Defendant responded, "You're hot."
Last year, ATF agent Brian Higgins read his flirty January 2022 text with Karen Reed on the stand. This year, State Police Sergeant Yuri Buchanan read them for over an hour during his cross-examination.
You're hot. Are you serious or messing with me? No, I'm serious. Feeling is mutual. Is that bad? You look great tonight. Are you breaking up or staying together? I don't know. He hooked up with another girl on vacation. It is a very up situation.
Reed and Higgins shared a kiss a couple weeks before John O'Keefe died.
You legit planted one on me. I know where the cameras are anyway, duh.
Jurors were locked into this testimony, which at times was uncomfortable.
Do you want me to start at the beginning or?
No. Let's just go.
Jurors even laughed at one point, and many put down their notes and leaned into the screen.
I mean, listen, we're all human. Who doesn't love a little bit of drama, right? So especially after having some dry witnesses, during the week, more technical stuff from some, it certainly spices it up a little bit.
So why have a state trooper testify about these texts and so much more?
Have you been told that Proctor is not going to testify? Here, he's not. He's not going to testify. What about Higgins? What are those photos?
In a chaotic scramble after court, Karen Reed said Michael Proctor will not testify for the state this trial. She said she doesn't know if Brian Higgins will, so it seems that Sergeant Buchanan is a surrogate witness.
In terms of trial strategy, it's definitely risky, right? Because you run the risk of looking like you're hiding from it.
Legal analyst Catherine Loftus.
Hank Brennan is really only putting the witnesses in that he needs to prove the case. And if there's anybody outside of that is not necessary to the elements, and in theory is only going to be potentially harmful to the Commonwealth's case, why call them? He's basically calling the defense's bluff and saying, if you want to blame Brian Albert and Brian Higgins, put them on the stand. You can blame them yourself.
And Sergeant Yuri Buchanan will be back on the stand again Monday morning for his third day of testimony. Monday starts at 10 o'clock. In Dedham, Kristina, WBZ News.